Welcome to our guide on using Perplexity AI for creating PowerPoint slides. Let's dive into its incredible features. Start by choosing a template. Perplexity offers a range of stunning designs tailored for any occasion. Add your content effortlessly. Simply input your ideas and let Perplexity generate slides for you. Customize your slides. Adjust colors, fonts, and images to match your branding or personal style. Review your slides for clarity and impact. Perplexity offers feedback suggestions to enhance your presentation. Finally, download your presentation in PPTX format and get ready to impress your audience. Remember, Perplexity AI saves you time and enhances your creativity. Every presentation can be stunning. Use your new skills to captivate your audience and make a lasting impression. Explore more features of Perplexity AI to further enhance your presentations. Don't forget to share your creations. Collaboration has never been easier with Perplexity. Thank you for joining us. Now go forth and create fantastic slides with Perplexity AI. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using AI in your daily tasks.